A very good afternoon, children. Today we'll study about exercise number 12.2. Here is the few question and you have to give their answer. Question number 1. Does a cuboid have any curved face? So children, do you know cuboid have any curved face? Yes or no? First we'll see the diagram of the or the figure. Here this is the picture of cuboid and you can see here is no any curved face. As you can see here in the cuboid, here is the face of the cuboid. You can see the face of cuboid is straight, so you can say that there is no face of a cuboid. Okay, and in question number 2, does a cube have any curved edge? Do you know that any cube have any curved edge? Yes or no? So let's see. As you can see in the picture of cube, here is the picture of cube. You can see that there is no any curved edge. Edge मतलब होता है किनारा या छोर. So children, you can see that there is no any curved edge of cube. And question number 3, does a cylinder have any straight edge? Yes or no? आपको पता है कि क्या किसी सिलेंडर के पास कोई किनारा होता है स्ट्रेट, सीधी लाइन का जो उसका छोर होता है, उसका जो किनारा होता है वो सीधा होता है. सो चिल्ड्रन, डू यू नो? यस और नो? आप लेट्स सी दिस डायग्राम ऑफ अ सिलेंडर. किसका पिक्चर है ये? किसका डायग्राम है? सिलेंडर का. सो चिल्ड्रन, यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज नो एनी स्ट्रेट एड्ज ऑफ सिलेंडर. सिलेंडर के पास क्या है? कोई स्ट्रेट एड्ज है, उसका कोई स्ट्रेट किनारा है? नो, देयर इज ओनली एंड ओनली कर्व एज. इट मीन्स कि सिलेंडर हैव ओनली एंड ओनली कर्व एज. सिलेंडर के पास क्या है? केवल और केवल कर्व शेप के या कर्व फेस के जो उसका किनारा है, केवल और केवल कर्व फेस का है. ठीक है. सो यू कैन से दैट द सिलेंडर हैज ओनली and only curved edge. There is no any straight edge. And in question number 4, how many corners are there in a sphere? So children, you know very well that in the given picture there is no any corner of the sphere. Sphere means, what do you mean by sphere? Sphere means that there is no any corner, edge, sides or vertex. ठीक है. So children, you can see that there is no any corner of sphere. ये क्या है? गोला है. और आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे कोई कॉर्नर नहीं है. किसमें नहीं है? गोले में. ठीक है. Question number 5, how many corners are there in a cylinder? So children, you know that there is no any corner in a cylinder. Why? Because as you can see in the given picture, there is no any corner in the cylinder. Why? Because in the upper and bottom surface there is only and only curved line. क्या है? इसके अपर एंड जो बॉटम सरफेस है या इसका जो फेस है उसमें क्या है? केवल और केवल कर्व लाइन है. ठीक है. सो यू कैन से दैट देयर इज नो एनी कॉर्नर इन अ सिलेंडर. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, डज अ स्फीयर हैव एनी एड्स? नो, देयर इज नो एनी एड्स in a sphere. Why? No, because a sphere has only and only curved face. Okay, so you can say that no. In question number 7, does a cone have its base and the top of the same shape? So you will say no. Why no? Because as you can see in the given picture, there is no same shape. यहाँ पर कोई, you can see this portion is the top of cone and this one is the bottom of the cone. So when you will measure, जब आप measure करेंगे, then you will find that the top and the bottom are not equal of cone. Question number 8. How many curved surfaces does a cylinder have? So when I'll ask the question that how many curved surfaces does a cylinder have, then you will say that, ma'am, cylinder have only and only one curved surface. As you can see in the given picture, there is only and only one curved face of a cylinder, because this surface is upper surface and this one is the lower surface, and the mid portion or mid face is called curved surface. Okay. Question number 9. How many plane faces does a cylinder have? So when I'll ask, then you will say to me that, ma'am, there is two plane faces. Number one upper face and number two lower or bottom face. Question number 10. Write the names of two objects that have the shape of a sphere. So you will write here cricket ball, basketball, football, etc. etc. Thank you, children. Watch the video till here, and from question number 11 to 14 will see tomorrow. Thank you so much.